I'm using these 18-inch Blum undermount drawer slides. They open up 7/8 of the way. They are not full extension, but they're a lot cheaper than the full extension slides. These ones are 13.25, I think, for a pair, and then you also need the front mounting brackets. These are 85 cents each. You need one for each side. I like these drawer slides. There are a few things that I wish were different about them. First of all, there's no elongated hole on here, and that matters when you're first putting them in so that you can adjust it a little bit just to get it right. Get the face of the drawer aligned with the face of the cabinet. The other thing is there's a lip on the front of this. I don't know if you can see that. The slide doesn't sit flush on the bottom of the bottom shelf. So to deal with that, I just cut some pieces of poplar, and that raises up the bottom of the slide just enough so this front little lip thing sits basically flush with the bottom shelf. Now to attach the slides, I'm using these 6mm by 13mm screws. I'm using a centering drill bit to mark where to drill the hole, and then a 5/32 drill bit to actually pre-drill the hole for these screws. To align the higher slides, I'm using some spacers that I cut. I have two at 16 inches, and then I have two at 8 1/8 inches. And to make sure that the slides are set back the correct distance, I'm using a 1/16 short of an inch back from the face of the cabinet.